Clashes between protesters and police erupting in St. Louis into the early hours Saturday morning. A peaceful rally turning violent after white ex-cop Jason Stockley was acquitted of murdering black motorist Anthony Lamar Smith in 2011. Officers fired tear gas as people broke windows at 2 restaurants and a library, with some demonstrators throwing bricks and water bottles at officers. At least 23 people were taken into custody, according to police, who say 9 city officers and a state trooper were injured.
One of these officers was struck in the head with a water bottle. One officer was knocked off his bike, and the other was pinned on his bike. Officers deployed mace after an officer was struck by a water bottle.
Struck by rocks and paint, the home of St. Louis Mayor Lyda Krewson. Tension high after Stockley was acquitted of murder Friday. Police say Smith was shot 5 times in his car after trying to flee Stockley and his partner following an alleged drug deal. Protests like these calling to mind massive demonstrations and arson in Ferguson back in 2014 after a white police officer killed 18-year-old Michael Brown. Organizers say they're planning more protests in St. Louis over the weekend.